Pointer is the most important tool in C programming language. In other words, you can say that C programming is nothing without the pointer. Basically, pointer is used to store the address, and this address could be the address of any variable, function, or array. With the help of the pointer, we can access the value of the stored address. Hey guys, I am Amlendra, and in this tutorial I will explain what is the pointer and how you can use the pointer in your programming. So let's come on the topic. What is the pointer? So basically, pointer is like a variable and it used to store the address, and in other words you can say that the value of the pointer is the address. And there are two operators which mainly used with pointers. These operators are address of operator, either you can say that ampersand, and dereference operator, either you can say that indirection operator. In C programming, before using the pointer, you need to declare the pointer first. Either you will get the compiler error, and this is similar to the variable. Like if you want to use any variable in your code, then you have to declare it first. So declaration of the pointer is very easy. You need to write the data type first, then after that indirection operator, then the pointer name. Pointer name should be the unique and follow the naming rule. You can see here in the text, first I am writing a data type, then indirection operator here, then the pointer name. So suppose if I just need to create a character pointer, so what I need to write here? I just need to write here char asterisk symbol and the pointer name. Here pointer name is just CPTR. If I need to create integer pointer, then int, indirection operator, and IPTR. Name could be anything, it depends on your choice what you want to put the pointer name, but it should be follow the naming rule. So here I have created 4 pointer: character pointer, integer pointer, float pointer, and double pointer. You need to remember one thing here: pointer type match with the identifier which address stored by the pointer. It means if you want to store the address of integer variable, then you have to create a integer pointer. And if you want to store the address of character variable, then you have to create a character pointer. C also provide a generic pointer, void pointer, to store the address of any data type. But we will see it in next lecture. So I think now you have some visibility how you can declare the pointer in your programming. Now let's see how we can use pointer in your programming. Before going to explain this topic, I just want to describe about the address of operator and indirection operators. These are unary operators. You can see here I have already written an article on my blog articleword.com where you can read about this. So indirection operator basically a unary operator, and it used to access the value of the stored address with the pointer indirectly. And here you can see few examples. Like here in the first example, you can see that I have used indirection operator here in the pointer declaration, because indirection operator give the instruction to the compiler that this IPTR is an integer pointer. In second example, you can see that what I am doing here, I have written an expression A equals to indirection operator IPTR. That means copy the value of the address which is stored by the pointer to a variable A. In third example, what I am doing here, I am copying the value of A into the address which is stored by the pointer. Now the second important operator is address of operator. It is also an unary operator which provides the address of an operand, and these operands could be a L value or any function or any variable. You cannot use the address of operator with the bit field. Here I have mentioned few examples. You can see that here data is an integer variable. If I write ampersand with the data variable, then what happen? This will provide the address of data. And in other example, you can see that here I have created a integer pointer p data. If I put ampersand with p data, then this will provide the address of p data. So now it's time to see an example to understand how pointers work in your C programming. So there are mainly three steps to use the pointer in the C programming. First is that just declare a pointer. Second is that just assign address to the pointer. And third and last one is that using the indirection operator, just access the value of the stored address indirectly with the help of pointer. So here I have written an example for you. You can see that here data is an integer variable which is containing 20, and IPTR is a integer pointer. I am assigning null because it is good practice when you are going to declare a pointer, then just assign null to the pointer. It's help to avoid the void pointer. So in the next step, what I am doing using the ampersand, a unary operator. In the next step, what I am doing using the ampersand, I am copying the address of data into the IPTR. It is the second step, and here I am printing the address of ampersand data and value of IPTR. In the beginning, I have described that pointer value is an address. In the third step, using the pointer with the help of indirection operator, I am printing the value, and this value could be the value of data. And in this step, what I am doing using the indirection operator, I am copying some value here. The value is 5, and you can see that if I change the value here, then this value automatically update to the address. And if I will print data here, then you will get 5. So it's time to compile the program. So let's compile the code. Now you can see that here is the address which I have printed here. You can see that, and the value is 20. After changing the value, you can see that the value of data is 5. You can see here how we can change the value of a variable using the pointer. So I hope you able to understand how we can use the pointer in our programming. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. I will upload more and more video regarding the pointer and C programming. Thank you so much.